Welcome students, this is the next question. We've been given a graph such that f of x is 3 over 2 cos 2x positive 1 over 2. X lies between 0 and pi. We are expected to find the range of f of x. Now foremost, let me just consider the function in steps. Now I am going to start with cos 2x. Now clearly cos 2x is defined for negative 1 to positive 1. Now to this cos 2x we have got 3 over 2 being multiplied. So that would mean this interval would be scaled. So the range will be scaled. I'm going to state that. Why would it be scaled? Since 3 over 2 is multiplied to cos 2x. Okay, so that in turn would mean I now have the range to be as negative 3 over 2 comma positive 3 over 2. Okay, now if you see the function f of x is equal to 3 over 2 times cos 2x as an addition of 1 over 2. So what does that mean? We now have 3 over 2 times cos 2x positive 1 over 2. So this means adding the constant of 1 over 2 will shift the range to negative 3 over 2 positive 1 over 2 comma 3 over 2 positive 1 over 2. So this is going to give me negative 3 positive 1 divided by 2 positive 3 positive 1 divided by 2, which is going to be negative 2 over 2 and 4 over 2, which is going to be negative 1 comma 2. So therefore the range of f of x is what? Negative 1 comma 2. So that is the solution for this question. So we'll move on to the next one. This is the second part. We have been given g of x is equal to f of x positive k being a positive constant, and that the x-axis is a tangent to g of x. We are expected to find k. Now since it is stated that the x-axis is a tangent to g of x, this is possible. Let me write the solution like this. Since x-axis is tangent to g of x, and that means the point of contact is 1, or I would say there is just one point of contact. Between the curve and the line. Is just 1, and that is only possible. This means this situation can only arise g of x is equal to 0. Now since g of x is equal to f of x positive k, this means f of x positive k is equal to 0. Now from the previous working we know that g of x, f of x takes a minimum value of negative 1. Since the minimum of f of x is negative 1, this would mean negative 1 positive k is equal to 0. This in turn would mean k is equal to 1. So that is the solution for this part of the question. Now this is the second, or I would say the third part. We are expected to find the equation of the curve which is produced by the reflection of f of x on the x-axis. Now we know that, what do we know? We know that f of x is given to be as 3 over 2 times cos 2x positive 1 over 2. To produce the reflection of this function, of f of x, what we need to do is we would have to negate this f of x. So that's exactly what I'm writing here. We negate f of x. So this in turn would mean we will have y equal to negative f of x, which is equal to negative of 3 over 2 cos 2x positive 1 over 2, which is equal to negative 3 over 2 cos 2x negative 1 over 2. Now they are asking us to produce it in the form of y is equal to a times cos 2x positive b. So I'm just going to state that point over here. This is of the form y is equal to a times cos 2x positive b, right, where a is equal to negative 3 over 2 and b is equal to negative 1 over 2. So that is the end of this particular question. Thank you.